Hey everyone, welcome to Engineer and Educator, where we dive deep into the world of AI in technology. This is the start of an exciting new series called the Hidden AI Gems, where we uncover the most powerful and underrated AI tools that can change the way you work, create, and learn. And today, we're studying with a game changer in AI research, Perplexity AI. And think of it as Google on steroids, an AI powered search engine that not only finds information but also understands and summarizes it for you. Curious to see how it works? Let's dive in and explore the magic of Perplexity AI. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next hidden AI gem. Okay, let's talk about Perplexity AI now. See, first you must go to perplexity.ai, and this is a script this is the beginning. Let this be the beginning for you to use AI tools. You may be using ChatGPT now, but there are a lot of tools that will help you create, to work, to do research. If you're a student, it will be very helpful for you. So we have a lot of AI tools here. So first we will be going to discuss about our perplexity AI. Okay. Are you tired of searching on Google and getting a bunch of useless links? Imagine an AI powered search engine that gives you instant, research backed answers. Today I'm showing you one of the best hidden AI gems, that is Perplexity AI. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is this Perplexity AI? Okay. Think of it as Google, but supercharged with AI. Instead of just showing you links, it actually reads the internet for you and gives a clear, well researched answer. Kind of like ChatGPT, but with real time web data. Using it is simple. Just go to perplexity.ai and type any question. For example, I'll just type something, a simple query, saying just let us use this perplexed AI first thing. We can just use it free. See, sure, I'll just, we can try, type something. Okay, we can try typing something. Okay, let me ask, the first question, who won the 2025 uh, Grammy Awards? Yeah. Who in the 2025 Grammy Awards. See, it pulls in real-time data and even provides sources unlike ChatGPT. See, unlike ChatGPT, it provides sources which is limited to, well, ChatGPT is limited to all the knowledge. Okay, next I will show another example. Okay, let us will make something. What are the latest AI advancements? What are the latest AI advancements. Next question. Advancements in 2025. See here, perfect for students. See, look here. There's some citations. Everything was given here. See, so this is perfect for students, researchers, and anyone who wants instant and credible information. See, the citations are all given, the links are there, everything is there. And next, we can type in some other example. Okay, I am going to type perplexity versus perplexity AI versus Google. Okay, see, we got everything. Yeah. And it even helps us compare the products, tools, and services, and it's great for decision making. Okay, and why is this a game changer? All right, let's break it down. Why should you care about Perplexity AI? Better than Google. And no ads, there is no SEO manipulation, just pure facts. Okay, and real-time web access. Unlike ChatGPT, it fetches live data. Okay, scientist services are great for research and fact checking, and AI powered summaries you can get. Okay, this literally must have to for students, content creators, and professionals. Why should you use Perplexity AI? Student can use it for research and writings. A content creator gets ideas and summarize trends. A professional can find best industry insights quickly, and a casual user gets smarter answers without scrolling through pages of resources. So, what do you think of Perplexity AI? Will you ditch Google for it? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews. Tomorrow I'll reveal another mind-blowing AI too. So stay tuned. Thank you.